Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging into Clickbank and confirming your account is fully verified. Make sure your payment and tax details are set so links track. Next, open the marketplace, search a product by niche, and evaluate gravity and average sale to choose a high-converting offer. Once chosen, click the Promote button. This opens the affiliate link generator where you'll enter your account nickname. Do this now to create the base affiliate link you'll customize in the next step. Once the affiliate generator appears, type your Clickbank nickname precisely. This ensures commissions route to you. Then, decide on a tracking ID, add a TID or sub-ID to segment traffic sources. This matters for optimizing campaigns. Clickbank provides a hop link, copy it. If you need deep links, replace the vendor's product page path or add parameters such as an TID equals Yordag or an AF sub equals source to capture extra data. Finally, test the link briefly to confirm redirection works before distribution. You finish by thoroughly testing the hop link. Open it in an incognito browser to confirm it redirects to the vendor and sets Clickbank cookies. Once confirmed, deploy the link in your campaign, email, blog, or ad with tracking parameters so you can measure performance in Clickbank reporting. If something goes wrong, ensure your nickname is exact. The URL includes the proper HTTP or HTTPS, and any added parameters are URL encoded. These fixes solve most issues. Make adjustments and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.